All right, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to day number day number one, right? Day number one, week two of our journey together. Again, it's day number one, week two of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. As you know, we begin the week Monday and Tuesdays. We begin the week with mathematics. And then after mathematics, we go into um, after Mondays and Tuesdays, which is mathematics, then Wednesdays, language, then following language, then we have on Thursday, we have science and social studies. So definitely it is a good thing to have each and every one of you here. So first of all, I want to ask, how was your day? Kendeja, how was the day for you?
Okay,
It's okay. Give me a better adjective than okay.
it's great.
Great. Ah, that's a wonderful adjective. Tejanique, how was your day?
It's awesome.
Awesome. Love it. Javon, how's the day so far?
Amazing.
Amazing. And DeAndre, how's the day for you so far?
Wonderful.
Wonderful. All those are beautiful adjectives. Kirk Ingram. Is Kirk Ingram here? Kirk Ingram, are you there? Still waiting there from Kirk, but definitely good. That day has been awesome for all of you. All right, so again, the subject is mathematics. And the topic that we'll be looking at is adding fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, now some of you in my class come to face to face. Some of you have already done this. I think Candasia, Tetranique, and who else? And Javon, you've already done pieces of this. So I'm hoping you could be able to answer. But I haven't taught DeAndre this yet, neither Kirk. Haven't taught you all that yet. So I will be doing it generally in class so you all can see exactly how it is supposed to be done. Okay, so let's begin. So all right, so let's begin. So notes. And adding fractions, I guess we can start off with the first rule. Rule number 1. When adding fractions, so when adding fractions with unlike denominators, what's the first thing that you must do? You must what? Go ahead, Diana.
The first thing is to check when you're adding fractions
When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must check if they have the same denominator before adding.
Deanna, your mic is very low. I don't know what's happening. Using a different device, I could barely hear you.
Can you hear me?
I could barely hear you. It's lower. It's low. Typically, you're much louder. So I don't know what's happening.
Can I join back and then come back in?
But yeah, try that. See if that works. Michael, is there a Michael here? Michael, are you there? On Michael, Myckell. Are you there? Okay, I can't hear from Michael. Maybe the internet is not working properly. Can Kirk Ingram, are you there? Okay, I can't hear from him either. Maybe it's the internet. All right, so let's continue. So when adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first what?
You hear me now?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Change the denominators into maybe it's right. You must first make, right? The denominators the same. And then you can add, the fractions. So the first thing that you must do when you are adding fractions that do not have the same denominators, you must make the denominators the same. And then when you make the denominators the same, then you can add the fractions. Now, how are we going to make the denominators the same? We have to do what? Anyone knows? How can we? Yes, Candasia?
You are going to have to multiply.
We have to multiply, very good. So we have to find the lowest common multiple first, and then we can make them the same. So let's try with an example. So we do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators. Hello, Kirk Ingram, are you there? I can't hear from Kirk. All right, Deanna, can you read what's on the screen, please? The rule number 1.
Adding fractions with unlike denominator notes. When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you could add the fractions. We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominator.
Very good. DeAndre, can you read the rule number 1, please?
When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you can add the fractions. We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple
Multiple.
of the denominator.
Very good. Tejanique,
Yes, sir.
can you read rule number 1, please?
Okay. When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you can add the fractions. We do this by first making the lowest common multiple of the denominators.
We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators. Siobhan, move your pencil from off the screen, please. Read rule number 1, Siobhan.
When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you add the fractions. We must do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominator.
Very good. Ariana,
Yes, sir.
why is your camera off? You know you don't enter the class with your camera off. Why are you doing that? Come on, you know better than that. You've been in this class for a whole week.
I don't know. Yeah.
All right, read rule number 1, please.
When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you can add the fractions. We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators.
Very good. Anwar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the rule number 1, please?
When adding fractions,
I can't hear you. You have to talk louder. Your volume is very low.
when adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you can add the fractions. We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators.
Very good. And Candasia, can you read this, please?
When adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same, and then you can add the fractions. We do this by first finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators.
Very good. Excellent. So let's do an example. I hope that's everyone. Okay, good. Ariane, you finished writing this down?
No, sir, I'm almost finished.
Okay, let me give you opportunity to finish write that down then. Anyone else is still writing? Please quickly write that down so we can begin. Let me know when you finish, Ariana.
I'm finished.
All right, good. Okay, good. All right, so let's continue. So example number 1. Let's look at examples. All right, so let's add these two fractions. So let's say, for example, we have let's say, for example, we have let's say we have 1/5 plus plus 3/5. No, plus 3/4. Yeah, let's say it's like that. 1/5 plus 3/4. So first question, are the denominators the same? Candasia, are the denominators the same?
No, sir.
No. Ariana, are the denominators the same?
No, sir.
Okay. Anwar, are the denominators the same?
No, sir.
No. So what must we do to answer this question, Diana? What's the first thing we must do?
The first thing you should do is when adding fractions with unlike denominators, you must first make the denominators the same. So we have to make the denominator the same.
Very good. Javon, what's the first thing we're gonna do to answer this question? Say it again.
What we're gonna do, I said the first thing what we're gonna do is find what will make us get the same denominator.
Very good. So we must find the LCM, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's find the LCM of the denominators. So we have to find LCM of 4 and 5. So LCM of 5 and 4. So write this on the side, please. LCM of 5 and 4. Write this on the side. All right, DeAndre, give me the multiples of 5.
5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60.
Very good. Anwar, give me the multiples of 4. Anwar, are you there? I can't hear from Anwar. Javon, give me the multiples of 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Did we stop at 20? Because I see the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. I see 20.
See 20? So you believe that 20 is the lowest common multiple?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. After 20 is what?
24.
24. All right. So Ariana, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20, you believe it's 20? Okay, that's correct. It's 20. What is common in both of them is 20, and that's the lowest one that's common in both of them. Diana, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20, very good. Candasia, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20, very good. Excellent. And Tejanique, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
Very good. Deandra, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20. And Diana, what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20. Anwar, where's Anwar? Anwar, are you there? Anwar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20.
20. So write that down, please. So we say the lowest common multiple. Write this down, please. Make sure write this down. The lowest common multiple. Javon, stop making those faces, please. The lowest common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20. So 20 is the lowest common multiple. And so that means that we have to make both denominators what? What number, Ariana, what must we make both numbers?
20.
20, very good. What number must we make both numbers, Javon? Both denominators.
20.
20, very good. And DeAndre, what number must we make both denominators?
20.
20. Very good. All right, so DeAndre, what times 5 gives you 20? DeAndre, what times 5 gives you 20?
5 times 4.
Very good. 5 times 4. Candasia, what times 5 gives you 20?
5 times 4.
Very good. 5 times 4 is 20. So we multiply 5 times 4. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. Okay. So we have 5 times 4, which is 20. All right. And we must also multiply the top by 20. So it's going to be 1 times 4, which is also. So whatever we do to the bottom, whatever we multiply the bottom by, is we must multiply the top by. All right. Now, Diana, what times 4 is 20?
5.
5, very good. Kendrinique, what times 4 is 20?
5.
Say it again.
5.
Very good, 5. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So 4 times 5 at the bottom, and we must
Excuse
multiply
me.
by 5 as well. Yes?
Can I write my answer in the chat?
You can write the final answer, yes.
Okay.
All right. So thank you, Deanna, for showing me your work. All right, now, next up we have, now we have to multiply. Anwa, what is 1 times 4?
4.
Say it again.
4.
4, very good. And Anwar, what is 5 times 4?
20.
20, very good. DeAndre, what is 1 times 4?
4.
4, very good. And what is 5 times 4?
20.
20, very good. Tedranik, what is 3 times 5?
3 times 5, 15.
Very good. And what is 4 times 5?
20.
20, very good. Diana, what is 3 times 5?
15.
And what is 4 times 5?
20.
Very good. Ariana, what is 3 times 5?
15.
What is 4 times 5?
20.
20, very good. All right, so now, are the denominators the same now?
Yes.
Javon, are the denominators the same?
Yes, sir.
Anwar, are the denominators the same?
Yes, sir.
Good. DeAndre, are the denominators the same?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So can we add them now, DeAndre?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what is 15 plus 4?
19.
19. So there's gonna be 19 over
20.
20. Not 60 over 20, Tetranik. I don't know how you get that. 19 over 20 is the correct answer. All right. Ariana, what is 15 times 4? I mean 15 plus 4?
19.
Very good. Do we add the denominators or do we keep it the same, Ariana?
We keep it the same.
Very good. Ted, Kendeja, what is 15 plus 4?
19.
Very good. And do we add the denominators or do we keep it the same?
It stays the same.
Very good. It stays the same. Awesome. All right. Are y'all done with writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Awesome. So are we done with this?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, awesome. So let's do another example before we go into the exercises. Raise your hand if you think you're able to do this. Raise your hand if you think you're able to do this by yourself. Raise your hand. Okay, everyone. Excellent. All right, so let's do one. Let's do one. Let's do a last example before I give you the opportunity to do it by yourself. So example number 2. All right. So example number 2, let's look at, we had 2 over 5 plus 4, no, plus 6, my bad, plus 6 over 4. Now, DeAndre, what's the first thing we're gonna do? For this question, what's the first thing we're gonna do? DeAndre. DeAndre, what's the first thing we're gonna do for this question? Hello, DeAndre, speaking to you. What's the first thing we're gonna do for this question?
He left.
He left. All right, go
And I
ahead, go ahead, Deanna. What's the first thing we're gonna do?
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the LCM of 5 and 4.
Very good. We have to find LCM of 5 and 4. So let's do this. So the LCM,
And we already know the LCM because this is the same one as last.
that's correct. So LCM of
5 and 4.
5 and 4. Very good. So we write that on the side. Tetranic, what are multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65.
All right, thank you. All right. What are the multiples of 4, Candasia?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
Very good. 4, 8, 12, 16. After 16 is what?
20.
20. Very good. Siobhan, are you writing this down? Or are you playing with your glasses?
Yes, I write it down.
All right. DeAndre. Where's DeAndre?
Yes, sir.
Why you laugh when I ask you a question?
My internet dropped.
Internet drop. I was asking, what's the first thing that we do for this question? What's the first thing that we do?
When adding fractions with a
No, I don't want you to, I
unlike
do not want you to read. I'm asking you from what we did in the first question. What's the first thing we're supposed to do? Based on what we did the first time, in your own words. What's the first thing that we did?
check the LCM of 5 and 4.
Very good. And what is the LCM of 5 and 4? If we look at these, what the LCM is. Say it again.
20.
20, very good. 20. Anwar, what is the LCM of 5 and 4?
20.
20, very good. So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20.
I wrote it down and I got an answer.
Me too.
Me
All right, so,
3.
all right, so the lowest common, I didn't ask someone for no answer. I did not ask anyone for no answer. So after we do this, Ariana, what's the next thing we're gonna do?
We're going to make the denominators the LCM of 5 and 4.
Very good. DeAndre, how are we gonna do that? What are we gonna multiply by? DeAndre, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna multiply by? What are we gonna multiply 5 by?
4.
4, very good. Because what number are we trying to get?
20.
Very good, we're trying to get 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. And Deanna, sorry, what times, what is 2 times 4?
8.
8, very good. Javon, what are we gonna multiply the 4 by?
We're gonna multiply the 4 by 5.
Very good, we're gonna multiply the 4 by 5. Why?
Because that like the least common multiple, you could find 20, but 5 too.
Okay,
I
so
think
4 times 5 is 20. Very good. And Anwar, what is 6 times 5? Anwar, what is 6 times 5?
Is it 35?
Not 35. 6 times 5 is what? Tetranique, what is 6 times 5?
6 times 5 is 30.
Very good. 30. So 6 times 5 is 30.
I didn't even go. I know it.
And say it again, Anwar.
30.
Say it again.
35.
30. Yeah, your mic is extremely low, Anwar. Ariana, what is 4 times 5?
20.
20. Very good. Javon, what is 2 times 4?
8.
8. And what is 5 times 4?
20.
20. Is Kirk here? Kirk, are you there?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm sorry. Sorry for logging out. I was having problems with internet.
okay, sure, no problem. Turn on your camera though, we need to see you. All right. All right, Deanna, what is 30 plus 8?
30 plus 8 is
Can you hear me?
We could hear you, but we can't see you. So you need to turn on your camera.
Okay.
38.
Very good, 38. Do we add the denominators or keep them the same?
We keep them the same.
Very good. Anwar, is Anwar there?
Yes, sir.
Anwar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is 30 plus 8? Say it again.
38.
38, very good. Do we add the denominators or keep them the same?
Stay the same.
Very good. Candasia, what is 30 plus 8?
38.
Very good. Do we add the denominators or keep them the same?
They stay the same.
Very good. The Andre, what is 30 plus 8?
38.
Do we add the denominators or keep them the same?
Stay the same.
Very good. Diana, what is 30 plus 8?
30 plus 8 is 38.
Do we add the denominators or they stay the same?
They stay the same.
Very good. Tedranik, what is 30 plus 8?
38.
Very good. Do we add the denominators or do they stay the same?
They stay the same.
Very good. Excellent. All right, so are we done with this slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Raise your hand if you know how to do this on your own. Raise your hand.
Me.
Ariana. Okay. And Deja, I don't see your hand raised. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, awesome. All right, so that means that all of us believe that we are able to do it on our own. So let's do the exercises then. So we're gonna do some exercises. And I want you all to do these on your own to the best of your ability. So created exercise. So the instruction states add following fractions. Do not simplify. We have 3/5 plus 2/4 6/5 plus 5/4 1/5 plus 6/4 4/5 from 4. You have 8/5 plus 7/4 and last one we have 9/5 plus 11/4. All right, please do this. Do these 5 questions in your book. And once you're finished, put the answers inside the chat, as well as take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's very important.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
If we're done with the first one, could we send the first one in the chat, or do we have to finish all of them and then send them in the chat?
No, finish all them, then send it in the chat.
Okay.
All right. Any questions from anyone? Ariana, what number you on?
I'm finished.
You're finished already?
Yes, sir.
You put your answers in the chat?
Yes, sir.
That's interesting. How you finished so fast? Take a picture of your work and let me see it.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, he didn't do that like that. Oh god. Ariana. No, why did you do it over 9?
It says not to simplify.
No, remember, you still have to find the LCM though.
3
Remember, just like how we did it the first time. You have to find the LCM of 4 and 5, just like this. Then you multiply it out, then you can find your answer. When I say don't simplify, I mean don't simplify this answer. Okay? That's what
Yes,
I
sir.
mean when I say don't simplify. So you have to do them again. You remember you cannot add the denominators. We never add the denominators. Chiffon, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2? Okay. Candasia?
Yes, sir.
What's your answer is for number 1?
5/20.
How? How's your answer 5/20? How? When you multiply 3 times 4,
3 times 4.
that's 6. When you multiply 2 times 5, that's 10. It's impossible for you to get 5/20.
5.
You have to multiply the top and the bottom, not just the bottom. DeAndre, what grade? What number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Patrick, what number you on?
Number 2.
All right. Anwar, what number you on?
I'm here.
What number are you on?
I'm done.
You're finished?
Yes, sir.
Impossible. Take a picture of your work and let me see it. Wait, by the way, don't do that yet. What your answers for number 1?
My answer is 5. My 5 divided. 5 on
Say it again. So what you said? What you say? What is it?
5 over 5.
5 over 5?
Yes, sir.
Why isn't your denominator 20? Anwar.
Yes, sir.
No, not yes, sir. Why isn't it your denominator 20? Hello, Anwar? So you have to do them again. Your denominator is supposed to be 20. You hear me, Anwar?
Yes, sir.
All right. Kirk, what number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Okay. Javon, what number are you on?
I'm on number 5.
Okay. Tedranik, what number you on?
I'm still on number 2.
All right, Deanna, what number are you on?
Finished.
Say it again.
I am finished.
Okay, put your answers inside the chat, please.
Okay.
Tedranik, what number you on?
I am going on number 3.
All right, great. Deandra, what number are you on now?
I'm going on number 3.
All right, very good. Deanna, are you finished putting them in the chat?
Sir, I have to put 2 more.
All right. Ariana, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
I am finished putting them in the chat.
Okay, let me see.
I put my answers in the chat.
Javon, you finished as well? Okay, excellent. Candacia, what number you on?
Still on number 2.
Number 2, okay. All right, so let's begin to answer them.
Question.
Go ahead.
When I was adding, I noticing that I have two numbers, like 12/20 and 10/20. Do I add those numbers together?
Say it again.
When I'm doing the questions, I only have two numbers left over. Do I add those numbers together?
That's correct.
So I add them.
Yes. All right, so we're about to answer these questions. So make sure to put your answers inside the chat before we go over them. Again, we're gonna answer them. If you get them right, please put a tick. If you get it wrong, then you have to put an X and put the correct answer. Again, we are going to add these numbers.
Can I do number 1?
Yes, you could help me with number 1. Give me 1 minute.
Yes.
All right, so Diana, help me with number 1, please.
So first we want to find the LCM of 5 and 4, aka the lowest common factor.
Not factor.
The lowest common number of
No,
5
start with M. The lowest common what? Multiple.
multiple
Mm-hmm.
of 5 and 4.
Mm-hmm.
So the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20.
Very good. So what
So-
must we multiply? Go ahead.
So then we say, what times 5 will give us 20? So 5 times 4 could give us 20.
Mm-hmm. That's correct.
And we cannot use a different number that we times the 5 with, so we put 4 by the 3.
Yes.
Then we say, what times 4 gives us 20, which is 5, and we have to put the same number.
Very good.
So now we times it. So first we want to times the numerators. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then 2 times 5 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
Then we times the denominator. 5 times 4 is 20. So we put the 20 down. And 4 times 5 is 20. So now we add it. But we do not add the denominator. So we put the same denominator down. And we say, and then we could set, if you know math out your head, then you could use it. But if you don't feel like it's right, you could set it up. So 12 plus 10. So we say 2 plus 0 is 2. And then we say 1 plus 1 is 2, which equals 22. And then we never plus the denominator, or add or subtract. We just put the same denominator down.
Excellent. Excellent job, Diana. Very good. So the correct answer is 22 over 20. Raise your hand if you got that right. 22 over 20. Raise your hand if you got that. Ariana, Diana. Tedrinik, did you get that? Tedrinik,
I'm checking.
did you get 22
yes, I
over 20?
did.
Okay.
Can I do number 2?
Yes, we can. DeAndre, did you get 22 over 20?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Anwar, did you get 22 over 20?
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
Yes, sir.
What'd you say?
Right. I got it right this time. Yes, sir.
You got, I can't hear you.
I got it right this time. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, good. Kirk, did you get 22 over 20?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. How about you, Javon?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. All right, Tedrinik, can you help me with the second one?
Okay. So the second one is 6 over 5 and 5 over 4.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna find the LCM of 5 and 4. So can you write that down, please?
So what is the LCM of 5 and 4?
20.
20, very good. So what must we multiply the 5 by?
By 4, and we multiply the 4 by 5.
Very good. Okay, what else?
And then next we're going to okay, now we're gonna add them.
Add what?
Wait. Add 6 24 over 20 and 25 over 20.
So we have to multiply the 6 by 4.
Yes, sir.
And what must we multiply the 5 by?
5. Okay, so now we have 24 over 20.
How you get to 24?
24?
How you got
Because
that?
um because six because 6 6 times 4 is 24,
Uh-huh.
and 5 times 5 is 25.
Very good.
Okay, and if you add them all together, your answer should be 49 over 20.
49 over 20. Is that your answer?
No, I said 49 over 20.
Yeah, that's what I said. 49 over 20.
Sound like you said 29 over 20.
No, 49 over 20.
Okay.
Okay. How many? That's correct. How many, how many of you got 49 over 20? Raise your hand. You got 49 over 20. Raise your hand. Okay. All right, excellent. DeAndre, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anwar, did you get that? Anwar, did you get 49 over 20?
Yes, sir.
How about you, Kirk? Kirk Ingram, did you get 49 over 20?
Yes, sir. What you talking?
Did you get 49 over 20?
Do you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Sir,
Say it again. Did you get 49 over 20?
I did.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. DeAndre, help you out with number 3.
First, we're going to get the LCM of 5 and 4,
What is the LCM of 5 and 4?
20.
Say it again.
20.
20. Very good. So what are we gonna do?
We're going to 1 times 4 and 5 times 4.
Very good.
1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 4 is 20.
Very good. Excellent.
Then we're going to 6 times 5, 4 times 5.
Very good. What is 6 times 5?
30.
What is 4 times 5?
20.
20. So when you add it, what you get?
34 over 20.
34 over 20. All right, raise your hand if you got 34 over 20. Raise your hand if you got 34 over 20. Diana. Tragedy. Ariana, did you get 34 over 20?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about you, Kendeja?
Yes, sir.
All right, awesome. All right, Kendeja, can you do number 4, please?
So now we're going to say 8 times 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then we're going to say 5 times 4.
Okay.
And then we're going to say 7 times 5.
Okay.
And then we're going to say 4 times 5.
All right.
So 7 times 5.
Let's start out with 8 times 5. 8 times 4.
8 times 4. 8, 16, 8 times 4 equals 32.
That's correct. And 5 times 4 is what?
5 times 4 equals 20.
Very good.
And then we have to put our plus sign.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to say 7 times 5. 7, 14, 5. Which is 35. So we're going to say
Very,
35 over 20.
very good.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
So let's add it together. We have 32 and 35.
Yes, sir.
So what is 5 plus 2?
5 plus 2. 6.
5 plus 2. 5 plus 2.
5, 6, 7.
7. Very good. And what is 3 plus 3?
3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 6.
Very good. 6. So the answer is what?
76 over 20.
You sure it's 76?
67
Very good. Over.
over 20.
Very good. Anyone else got that? Raise your hand if you got that for me, please. All right. Thank you. Tiana, did you get that?
No, sir.
What you got?
I got 50 over 20.
What mistake did you do?
I didn't add it properly.
Okay, so be careful when you're adding. Anwar, what you got for this question? Anwar, are you there?
I got 49
Say it again.
over 20. 49 over 20.
49 over 20.
No, my God.
This is number 4.
I got 67 over 20.
Say it again.
67 over 20.
Okay, good. All right, let's move on to the last question before we go. Ariana, help me with the last question, please.
So, I'm gonna put 9. 9 times 4 and 5 times 4.
Okay,
Then I'm gonna put 11 times 5.
okay,
4 times 5.
very good.
And 9 times 4 is 36. Over 20
Very good.
plus 55 over 20.
Good.
Then your answer is 91 over 20.
When you add them,
Yes, sir.
okay. So we have to add 55 plus 36, and that's 91 over 20. Say yes if you got this. Say yes.
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 Give me 1 more minute, please. I'm not finished writing.
Okay. Javon, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
All right, awesome. DeAndre, did you get this? Is DeAndre there? Oh, DeAndre left. Okay, I think he left. Okay.
I'm finished and I got the answer correct.
Very good, 91 over 20. Okay, so these are your answers. Make sure please take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Besides from that, have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you on, when I'll see you.
On Tuesday, face to face.
Yes,
Tomorrow.
I see you tomorrow.
Bye.
I see you tomorrow,
Bye.
face-to-face class. Please make sure that you're able to come, and then I see you tomorrow evening at what, 4:30, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a wonderful afternoon. Take care, everyone.
Bye.
All right, see you later, Candasia.
Okay.